Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting case from Caseology. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this product. And if you're not already watched, we have already done a case unboxing of the clear case from Spigen. And in this video, I'll be doing a different kind of case wherein you have a color which is kind of darker than this, but then this is a different product. And this is also made made in South Korea. Now that gives me a confusion that if Spigen is also making the cases in South Korea, if this is also making their cases in South Korea, are they both the same companies and are they both the same manufacturers? And kind of I'm right, because if you look at the closer details for the EU customers, you can see the exact same address is available for the US and Canada customers also. So basically, yes, it's mentioned Spigen, and this here it's mentioned a dB of Spigen. So basically, I've indirectly brought the same product from Spigen itself. I didn't know, but that's a fun fact which I learned today. And this was looking like a different case, so I thought to let's purchase this and probably buy this one. So let me just quickly open up the seal and take a look at this product and see what we get within this package. So here is the unboxing of this product, and within this we have this and some information on usage, like removal of the bottom part, upper part, and then it says welcome to the club and blah blah blah. We have more marketing and everything which is not needed. And here is the all new case. Now that looks quite refreshing in terms of the colors. Again, if I talk about the package, it's clearly mentioned this is the blueberry navy color. Now the reason I selected this because the iPhone 12 mini which I have is a blue variant, and this might have looked cool with the yellow finish on this. So this is what we get. First thing, let me just take a look at this. It says Nano Pop series for Apple, and of course there's so kind of design here, but it makes no sense because it would be hidden within the phone. Talking about the phone, the case, it's quite soft, I would say, when compared with the other one which was a TPU case, but quite hard. Now there's a nice camera bump and a cut, so let me just push this inside and take a look now. First impression, yes, the phone once inside, it's still saving the screen because it does come over the screen. So if you drop your phone this way, it wouldn't do any kind of damage. In terms of camera bump, again, yes, the camera is completely hidden, so you won't have to worry that the camera area would also get disturbed when you drop the phone this way. In terms of the buttons, I feel this is far better when compared with the other case. In terms of the volume rockers, yes, again, that's also quite perfect in my opinion, and everything else also looks quite soft and comfortable to use. And that's the all new case from Caseology, which is a part of Spigen. And this one does look quite refreshing also. Like this one does look like a cheap case, while this one does look very cool and different when compared. So if you are looking to buy this one, anyway, I've given the links in the description in case you would like to buy any of these cases, but I would suggest you to go for this one because this does look quite refreshing and quite unique. At the same time, has a unique quite soft finish, and probably might not make sure that the phone does not skip from your pocket. Again, this was the unboxing of the case from Caseology, a part of Spigen again, and a complete unboxing of the same. That's it guys, I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.